Welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss a pair of linear equation in two variable from NCERT 10th class maths book. That is chapter number 3, exercise 3.4 and fifth part of the second question. So here what the same statement sum is there, and we have to read it very carefully, and then we have to find the informations. Two information will be there. Those two information we have to change into mathematical form, that means equation form. After getting the equation, we have to solve it by what? Elimination method. Elimination method is easy and quicker also. So by elimination method we have to solve it to find the unknown values, that is x and y variable values. We can find it out. Let us see what it is given. So this is the question. So before going to solve this question, I am giving an example. Suppose I have opened a library. Okay, so what then two kids will come and one kid will say, ma'am, I want to take a book. Then okay, I shall give a book. So this book, if you take whatever may be, my library principle is there what? If you keep for 3 days, if you keep for 3 days books, then there is a fixed charge. Then they will ask me, how much ma'am? I will say, okay, for 3 days, 5 days, let's say. For 5 days, I will take how much? 5 days, how much I will take? 10 rupees. And after that, suppose they will say, ma'am, if I read very quickly in 2 days, then how much? I will say, no, you have to pay at least 5 days you keep. And if you keep 3 days also, I will take 10 rupees. If you keep for 1 day also, I will take 10 rupees. If you keep 4 days also, I will take 10 rupees. That's why it is a fixed charge. So there, suppose I will keep for more days, ma'am, then I will say, thereafter for each day, for 1 day, I will charge how much? 5 rupees. Then they will say, okay. So these two kids have gone, and one will keep the book for how many? So let's say Kavita kept the book for how much? For 5 days, no, for 8 days. Okay, 8 days. Then how much he will say? How much he will pay? So I will say, you see, 5 days 10 rupees, for 1 day 5 days. Since 5 days tak 10 रुपया है, so you kept for 8 days total. 8 days minus you will do 5. So 5 days is for what? Fixed charge. After that I will charge. Thereafter I will charge for 1 day I will charge 5 rupees. So remain how many? 3 days. For 3 days के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? ये 3 5s are 15 rupees. That means first 8 days how much? First 5 days how much we have to pay? 10 rupees. She has to pay 10 rupees first. This is our fixed price. Here I said this is your fixed price plus extra charge. Extra charge is what? Extra charge depending upon the days. So 10 rupees plus extra charge how much? 5 rupees. How many days she kept? She kept for 3 days. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 days extra. Then that will become what? 10 plus 15. So she has to pay 25 rupees. Okay, this is. So her friend Namita came. Namita took also book. Namita is very slow reader. Then she kept for 10 days, let's say 10 days, 12 days. Okay, 12 days she kept for 12 days. So how much? For first 5 days it is how much? Fixed charge. So 12 days minus 5. Remember how many days she took? 7 days extra. She took 7 days extra. So this 7 days I said to you, since Namita you kept how many days? For 12 days you kept the book. So for first 5 days I will charge 10 rupees. Then after that each day 5 rupees. Then how many days extra you kept? You kept for 7 days more. That means 12 minus 5 is 7. So 7. So you have to pay how much? 10 plus 35, that is 10 plus 35, that equals to 45 rupees. Got it? So this way it will be calculated, right? Now same way this question also there. He is saying that a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. Lending library has a fixed charge. This is what? Fixed charge for 3 days. 3 days के लिए fixed charge. Additional charge for each day thereafter. After that the additional charge will be there. How much? He didn't say. 27 rupees for 7 days. And while Shushi, another girl, Shushi paid how much? 21 rupees for keeping the book for 5 days. Right? For first 3 days is free. So here we know what? This per day we know each day how much? 5 rupees. We know this value. And we know 5 days for that fixed charge value, we know 10, but here he didn't say, he said the find the fixed charge, he said, and find the charge for each extra day. So these two things is, so in this case what? One can take x and one take y. So in case of 5, what will here, in case of this 10 rupees fixed charge, in case of this what you will do? Put x and 5. Instead of 5, we don't know the 5 rupees how much? Y only. So how many? Here 3. So our equation will become what? X plus 3y equals to 25. In this case also same. For 10 we will not put 10, we will put x into, for 5 is what? Y, 7y equals to 45 rupees. Like that we have to calculate it. Okay, let's start the question. How to solve, how to write, that I will do it in this. So we should assume, let's write in black pen. Let fixed charges, fixed charges, this is R, fixed charges for how many days? For 3 days. How much rupees? X rupees, that is 27 and 21, let's say x rupees, okay, x rupees. Then thereafter additional charges, he said, additional charges for each day. How much we don't know, so we will assume that y rupees. Okay, so total amount how it will become? Fixed charge plus additional charge for each day, for the days you keep, that equals to total amount. That has become our total amount. Okay, this is the question. So now let's see according to the question. According to the question. Okay, so what is saying? So Sarit kept for how many days? Kept for 7 days, isn't it? So charges will be direct, you can write. So for 7 days, so fixed charge is what? How many? For first 3 days, that means 4. Fixed charge is how much we have taken? X plus 4y, because for 1 day they are charging y rupees. So he kept for how many days? 4 days. 4 into y. This 4 y को multiply किया 4 into y. So how much she paid? 27 rupees. Second equation what? Same. X plus how many days she kept? She kept for 5 days. 5 days मतलब 5 minus 3, that is 2 days is extra, है ना? Extra is this 2 days. This is also extra. So for that becomes for 1 day y rupees, for 2 days 2y, that equals to 21. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. Okay, now let's see the coefficients what to be eliminated here. Let's see. So here the coefficient of x is 1, here also in second equation the coefficient of x is 1. So they are numerically equal, so need not multiply, directly we can do it. By what? By sign again. Next you see the sign, here is plus, here is plus, one should make minus. So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. ठीक है, इक्वेशन ठीक है. तो हमारा फर्स्ट इक्वेशन क्या है, x प्लस 4 डेस 4y इक्वल्स टू 27. ये हो गया x प्लस 2y इक्वल्स टू 21. ये दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने से चेंज हो जाए, प्लस वाला माइनस हो गया, प्लस वाला माइनस हो गया, प्लस वाला माइनस. सो दिस इज गॉन. 4 minus 2 is 2y equals 7 minus 1 is 6 has come. Now y equals to, that implies y equal to 6 upon 2 हो गया 3. सो y का वैल्यू क्या आया, 3 आ गया. ठीक है, ये है हमारा 3. अब सब्स्टिट्यूट y in equation 1, that is our original equation. x plus 4y equals to 27. x का वैल्यू निकलेगा यहाँ से, क्योंकि हमको y का वैल्यू मालूम है. x plus 4 into y is 3, here is 27. तो x plus 12 equals to 27. x equals to 27 से 12 को माइनस करेंगे. x equals to 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1. तो x का वैल्यू क्या आया, 15 आया. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इसको लिखेंगे द फिक्स्ड है. देयरफॉर द फिक्स्ड चार्जेस फॉर हाउ मेनी 3 days इक्वल्स टू x. x का वैल्यू क्या आया, 15 रुपीज़ आया, रुपीज़ 15. एंड एडिशनल charges for each day, that is y equals to rupees 3. This is our answer. Okay, so to verify ourselves, what we will do, we will take first equation, x plus 4y equals to how much, 27 rupees. x is how much ours, 15 plus 4 3 sir 3 डाल दो, y के जगह में 4 3 sir 12, you see 27. in second equation, x plus 2y equals to 21, this is 7, 21. so x is how much, 15 plus 2y 2 6 21, LH equal. So our answer is correct, just to verify. Okay, those who liked, please press the like button. Thank you very much by watching my video. Bye bye.